Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Takara Broussard and I'm the Tax Savvy Realtor. Today we're going to be diving into an important topic, tax preparation versus tax planning. Let's get to it. For those of you who are new here, I want to give a brief introduction. I'm a realtor licensed in Louisiana and Texas, and I'm also a tax advisor that helps top producing real estate agents and brokers save thousands of dollars on their taxes so that they can focus on their clients. Now let's get on with the topic. I want to talk about tax preparation versus tax planning because a lot of people use the terms interchangeably, but the difference is significant. And I wanted to break it down because it is very important. Some of the things that happen when we do tax planning is identifying life events that can happen or has happened. Things like strategizing on timing for income and expenses to maximize benefits. For example, we are closing out the fourth quarter. So a strategy that we can use to close out the year is if you're expecting to pay some expenses at the beginning of January for 2024 and you have the funds to pay for it now in your business, you can go ahead and do it and take that tax deduction for your 2023 taxes. A lot of people who had an influx in income throughout the year that they wasn't expecting use this strategy so that it can kind of offset some of the costs. Another thing is we explore legal deductions and credits specific to your industry. So for real estate agents, there's things that we can do to minimize your tax liability. Some things like reviewing your entity type or how you're getting taxed. That's a big one. The reason why we say tax planning is a year-round event is because we review current financial situations, your future goals. We also review current and past tax filings, just to name a few. Now, on the other hand, tax preparation is meant to make sure that you're in compliance with the IRS and your state. It's to ensure that you are filing all of the correct documents and on time. It's usually a once or twice encounter with your tax preparer, and that's it. The reason why I think that this topic is very important is because a lot of people are misinformed or they understand and they just don't care. Most people pay their tax preparer, they file their taxes, and then that is it. For that service, you pay it one time and you're done with it. Some people try to take advantage and as their business is growing, they want to ask their tax preparer certain things, and I've done it as well. So if I have a client that they'll send me a message, an email, and they ask a question, and I'll answer it. But some things are not just a simple yes or no answer. We have to do research. So sometimes we have to say it depends or we don't know. And it's not to be rude, it's honest because we actually have to do research. And it depends on what's going on since the last time we talked to you. So many things, it's so many variables. So we can't just say yes or no, we think you should do this. That's a business decision. And honestly, nobody wants to work for free. You made a one-time payment. The service that you paid for was fulfilled. We prepared your taxes. After that, your contract, your service is done. So if you need a tax advisor or if you feel as though your business is going to be growing, you may need to look into tax planning. That's and for my firm, I can speak for my firm only. All of our tax plans includes tax advisory. So you can email year round. It's all included in that same service. Or you can add an advisory package to your tax prep. My advice is if your business is growing or if you're expecting it to grow, meet with your tax advisor, meet with your accountant, and they'll advise you on what's the best steps to take. A tax plan is a game changer for a lot of people. And you end up saving so much money where you can put that back into your business and grow it even further. Listen, somebody's going to get paid. Or you're going to give that money to Uncle Sam and the IRS, or you're going to keep it in your business to make it grow for you. That's your only two options. So if you have any questions about this, please feel free to reach out. I'll link some free resources in the show notes that's specific for real estate pros. And if you have any questions, just let me know. I look forward to working with all you guys. Make sure you guys like the video and let me know where you're watching it from. All of you who are new here, thank you so much for coming and watching. I'm going to be trying to post more videos consistently. You guys going to have to hold me to that and hold me accountable. If you've worked with me before, or if you do, if you're a continued supporter, thank you so much. I really appreciate it. Make sure that you guys are subscribed, and I'll see you in the next video.